Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me great joy to welcome you today to the launch of the all-new BMW 2 Series Grand Coupe. The first ever BMW Series Grand Coupe stands out with its extravagant appearance, feature-loaded package, and superlative performance. The long flowing Grand Coupe, short and frameless side doors reveals a strong focus on design with bold, sporty and emotional rich lines. The interior combines sporting flair with exquisite material, and its modernity is underscored by innovative details solution such as the first ever black lead trim strips. All these elements generate a high level of everyday practicality, including excellent interior space and a large load compartment. Extraordinary equipment highlights to the add to the style such as the panorama sunroof, BMW Live cockpit and virtual assistant. The first ever BMW 2 Series Grand Coupe will be available in two very personalized variant at a very attractive introductory price. The first model would be the BMW 220d Sportline, which comes at 39.30 lakhs, and BMW 220d M Sport at rupees 41.40 lakhs. I take a great pleasure in unveiling one of the best car in its segment, the new BMW 2 Series Grand Coupe. Let's hear it for the countdown.
Good evening everyone. Thank you once again for joining us for the first ever virtual launch of BMW 2 Series Grand Coupe in Ahmedabad, Gujarat by Gallop's Auto House. My name is Pramod Bagdi. Here it comes, the icon of individuality, the first ever BMW 2 Series Grand Coupe. First of all, I would request if you look at the vehicle very closely, this car has a perfect resemblance of our flagship model BMW 8 Series Grand Coupe. I think we can all agree that this car is meant to stand out. The BMW 2 Series Grand Coupe offers the best of both of worlds, the emotional design of a coupe and practicality of a sedan. Now, if you look at the upside kidney grills moving toward the LED headlights, which is pointing downwards, these two factors give the cars a perfect, bold and aggressive looks. Moving to the side, if you see the silhouette, which is moving towards front from the till the rear end, that reminds us it's much of our larger coupe brothers. It has countered arches wheels. It comes with 18 inches light M alloy wheels, bicolor double spoke, style 819. Now please look at that. The very first time ever BMW has introduced panorama glass roof in this segment. But we have much more left to show you. By this side, if you look at the car, it's exactly look like our flagship model BMW 8 Series Grand Coupe, which has sweeping tailing lights towards the rear end length. Now if you open the boot, this car has ample space in there where you can access your goods. Now, I would like to show you one of my favorite feature in this car, the frameless windows. It comes with 4 doors and this is a signature feature of every coupe. Inside of the BMW 2 Series Grand Coupe, it is the same fit and finish that is a signature of every BMW, highlighting the premium feel of high quality material. The first time ever BMW 2 Series Grand Coupe introduced illuminated trims in this car. This variant comes with the leather sports steering wheel and leather seats, and comfort comes from the courtesy of Sensatec leather. The first ever BMW 2 Series Grand Coupe features the BMW Live Cockpit Professional, which has two 10.25 inches screen with touch and gesture control. Also, BMW has virtual assistant activated by voice command, "Hey BMW." Now, if we talk about the driving dynamic of this car has a best-in-class performance. This car is blessed with 2-liter twin-power turbo 4-cylinder diesel engine, which produce excellent power of 190 horsepower and 400 Nm of torque. This car is paired with the 8-speed Steptronic transmission and 0 to 100 in just 7.5 seconds, with also good fuel efficiency of 18.64 km per liter. Also, this car has multi-link rear suspensions for the better comfort. The first ever BMW 2 Series Grand Coupe launched in India with 2 variants, Sportlines and M Sport, and these 2 variants has various paintworks option. The Sportline variant has 5 paintwork option: Alpine White, Black Sapphire, Seaside Blue, Melbourne Red and Storm Grey, and 2 additional paintwork in M Sport, which are Snapper Rocks and Mizana Blue. Well, we are sure with its bold look and authenticate BMW driving dynamics, the BMW 2 Series Grand Coupe stands out in premium subcompact category. We truly believe that it brings for the segment was sorely looking for, a stylish yet practical automobile for the perfect exciting times ahead. Thank you very much.